Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show a post review of my completed diamond painting kit, Christmas Cat from Diamond Dots. So this kit was actually purchased from Mary Maxim website last year. I ordered it online because unfortunately in my area there are no physical stores. As far as I understand, this store is actually physically located in Minnesota, but they really have very nice online deals. I don't remember how much it was, but I remember it was really very cheap, under $20. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of, let's round it up, 50 by 40 centimeters or 20 by 16 inches, and the name of the kit is Christmas Cat from Diamond Dots, inspired by Laser Arts. This kit came with 37 colors. One of the colors was special. This is the garland, those beautiful big crystal drills. And this kit also contained one AB color, which is white, and one pearl color, which is yellow. You can see it here. This kit contained a lot of confetti, and it took me a little while to complete it, but not as long as I would have expected, as I would have anticipated. I like how it turned out. I really like the rendering. You can see right away that it was artist charted, not just computer generated. I love the detailization. The cat looks really very realistic, and I can see every single detail on a Christmas tree. The color blending is perfect. These Christmas lights look very natural, as if these are real lights. And I like everything about this kit, starting from the detailization and ending with the color combination. Looks kind of even 3D, I would say, in real life. I did customize this kit a little bit. I just replaced yellow resin drills with crystals on the cat's eyes. As to the rest, it remained as the original kit. I didn't customize anything else except of the cat's eyes, because there is really no need of it. Besides the color selection is so perfect that I was scared to ruin it if I added something either in the light Christmas lights or in the ornaments. So I'm not sure if this kit is still available. I will leave the link in the description box below if it is. But if you were thinking on whether purchasing it or not, that's how it looks. The sparkle is beautiful. Um, it is so vibrant that I can take my eyes off this picture. It is way more vibrant than what you see on the video. The glow, the sparkle, the shine, everything is just perfect about this kit. The only disadvantage that I ran into, the drills were not as great as usually. Maybe because it is leisure art, not really diamond dots. It's just inspired by diamond dots. It had some, like a few colors had some plastic on the edges of the drills, but I cannot say that affected the diamond painting. Like 90% of the drills were still in perfect shape. So this is how it looks, and we are going to frame it and see how it looks framed. And this is how the picture looks framed in the memory of my dead kitty. If you follow my channel, you know that I had two cats. Now I have only one because the other one died, unfortunately, last year, and she kind of looked like this kitty, but with more orange. So I will be looking at her. I will be looking at this design, and I will be remembering my lost kitty. So as you can see, the glass does not take away any sparkle or shine. It still glistens beautifully, and the uh, frame was bought from Michaels buy one get one free event, or buy one get two free. It depends. The simple gray poster frame, I bought it for like 15 bucks or so, or maybe $10. Again, depends on whether buy one get two free or buy one get one free. So that's how it looks, and next year it will be hanging on the wall for Christmas. So it looks really very realistic, especially the garland. It looks very natural, and it looks kind of like 3D. The whole picture actually looks like 3D. So my applause to Diamond Dots designers. Beautiful image. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.